Hi, welcome to Return to Wholeness. I'm Heidi Marquez, your holistic wellness coach, excited to share this self-care webinar series with our third part today. It's my mission to share this message as a confirmation or perhaps a new direction for your self-healing journey. The content we're covering today is very dear to my heart because it's played a crucial role in the past 3 years of my self-healing journey, along with what I've been able to offer my clients from a supportive level. It'll make more sense as we watch this together. Bear with me while I play our webinar.
Welcome to the webinar on invoking Archangel Raphael for self-healing. This is meant to confirm or awaken curiosity of the unseen help for restoring balance, activate inner wisdom, and receive divine support on your healing journey. Our intention is to provide an introduction, cover the fundamentals of Archangel Raphael, share practical self-healing tools, and outline a plan to connect with this celestial realm. We will also encourage self-healing through visualization and practice. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I've coached clients remotely on holistic wellness for 3 years, sharing my 21-year journey of self-care and empowerment. Personally, I prioritize spirituality, self-reflection, and a deep connection to the cosmos. This webinar is for anyone open-minded and ready to practice self-care, strengthen their connection to divine healing energy, and invite transformation of mind, body, spirit, and soul. It is for those ready to take ownership of their holistic well-being. You may benefit from healing support if you experience chronic stress or fatigue, emotional heaviness, feel disconnected from your body or intuition, feel empty, or if you find yourself repeating patterns that no longer serve you. The basic steps for connection include setting an intention, like releasing what no longer serves you. Next, focus on your breath and use visualization. Finally, express gratitude for the opportunity to connect with the celestial realm. Archangel Raphael is known as the angel of healing, associated with physical, emotional, and spiritual restoration. He is the guardian of travelers and holistic practitioners. His energy signature is compassion, renewal, and green healing light. Self-healing is based on understanding that the body is designed to heal when supported. Healing is physical, emotional, and energetic alignment. Awareness is the first step, and setting an intention with trust and belief is key. Raphael's healing energy is often felt as a gentle, calming, green or emerald light. It works through your intention and receptivity. This energy supports both subtle energy and deep physical healing. To prepare for invoking Archangel Raphael, create a quiet, intentional space. Ground yourself through breath and body awareness, and set a clear healing intention. Remember to release expectations and stay open to receiving. A simple invocation is, I invite Archangel Raphael to surround me with healing light. Please restore balance within my body, mind, and spirit. Guide me toward my highest healing path. Focus on sincerity, not perfection. After the invocation, pay attention to sensations, emotions, or insights. Healing may be subtle or immediate. Trust your inner guidance and consider journaling any messages or shifts you experience. I personally embody this by setting an intention and visualizing green light streaming from the cosmos through my crown chakra. When working with clients, I do similar and then intentionally channel this energy for their highest good through my palms and fingertips to them. Practical self-healing tools include breath work, like alternate nasal breathing, and gentle movement like shaking your arms or swinging them side to side. Ensure hydration and nourishment with salt in your water, fruits, veggies, and seeds. Practice energy clearing through visualization and grounding. Emotional healing integration involves acknowledging emotions without judgment. Release stored energy through breath and movement. Practice self-compassion by intentionally forgiving yourself and others, allowing healing to unfold in layers. To strengthen your connection, incorporate daily body check-ins, repeat your invocation regularly, and build trust in your intuition. Consistency with even small practices is vital for sustained connection. Common blocks to receiving healing include doubt, overthinking, and resistance to feeling emotions. Expecting instant results and a disconnection from the body can also impede the healing process. For the closing practice, express gratitude for your body and its wisdom, and thank Archangel Raphael for support. Seal the energy with a deep breath, and then gently return to the present moment. Take a moment for reflection and integration. Consider what you noticed during the practice, where you felt shifts in your body or energy, And what is one practice you'll continue from this video? Remember this final message. Healing is a journey, not a destination. You are supported, seen, and unseen. Your body holds innate intelligence. Trust the process. As next steps, we invite you to join part 4 of our self-care webinar series. Also, please follow us on social media and feel free to leave us your feedback.
That's right. Feel free to leave us feedback or potential questions in regards to this content. Like I said, it's my mission to share or remind you of what is already out there for your support. Stay well. See you later.